Welcome to the Fotric Acoustic Imaging Camera H6 unboxing video. In this video, we will show you the products and accessories included in the acoustic imaging camera kit, as well as how to use them. Upon opening the hard shell carrying case, you'll find a portable soft bag inside. Opening the soft bag reveals the acoustic imaging camera and all its accessories. Inside the white accessory box, you'll find the power adapter along with interchangeable plugs compatible with multiple regions. You can use the power adapter to directly power the acoustic imaging camera. Alternatively, you can use it with the charging dock to charge two batteries simultaneously. Let's take a look at what's inside the data cable bag. A USB Type-C cable for data transfer. An HDMI cable for image projection. If you prefer operating the device with your left hand, you can use these accessories to attach the wrist strap to the left side of the acoustic imaging camera, making it easier to use. Thank you for watching the Fotric Acoustic Imaging Camera unboxing video. Now, press the power button to turn on the acoustic imaging camera and start your first inspection.